Hi guys, definitely Mary here today. I want to show you a good way for your multiplayer if you don't know at this moment how you want to go. What I mean is, want you go on Steam servers with advanced session, or want you make a dedicated server or whatever. So if you not have decided this at the moment, or you don't want to bother yourself with building a menu for a join and a create session, so it gives another way to test your replicas and your multiplayer out. There you don't need all of that stuff. So let us go into Unreal. So here, first I want to show you our okay, I think we are on the last project. So let me short we need the level blueprint for that. So open level blueprint. So we open no, that's wrong. Let me take a look. Okay, let us find where I make the level. I find it here. We had it on Valve example. We go back to third person. So far, so good. Now our routine was we start it on two clients. One is the host. The other one is the client. We press on client, wait short until he is really connected to it. So, and now I can press E and he sees I got the ball. So if we try this in the third person and open it, we got two different single clients. They have no connection and can't see each other. So if we now want them to see each other and we want the multiplayer functionality for testing purpose on this specific level or whatever case you want, but you don't want to bother yourself with a menu, with a game manager, the advanced session stuff and all of that kind. You could do it easily. Go on these three dots here, go on net mode and say play as listen server. And now we can make two, maybe. Let us go on 3 and let us press play. And we got, oh, my machine lagged a little. We got 3 and all see I got the ball. And in this moment, we don't have any menu. We don't have to bother ourselves with any kind of this advanced session stuff here, or even with the stuff for the connection here. We don't need that all. We could only go over the 3 dots, net mode, play as listen server, and get the number of players we want to open. That saves you a lot of time. You can very efficient make your test go, and after you have finished all of that, you can make your menu, you can make your advanced session, you can connect your Steam player press with your game, and so on. Before you can work with some player IDs you randomly choose or something else. Yeah, so far for this video, it's shorty, yeah, but I think it's very important you know this possibility, because at the end I'm here to give you opportunities to make your progress better and enjoyable. So yeah, if you're not joined our Discord until now, I would love to see you there. And if you have not given me a sub until now, maybe you want to give it to me now. And I hope you learned something. See ya, guys.